Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making a delicious creamy salmon, and I'm gonna start with the ingredients. We're gonna need 1.5 pounds of salmon. We're gonna need 1 cup of chicken broth, 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream, 1/4 of a cup of parmesan cheese, 1 cup of spinach, 1 small onion, or you can use a half of a medium onion, and I'm using red onion, but you can use the white one too, 2 garlics, 1 tablespoon and a half of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 of a tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of hot chile powder. And if you don't want it too spicy, you can always use only half a teaspoon, and 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna start first by putting salt and pepper to the salmon, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and then we start cutting all the vegetables. Okay, and I'm gonna be using the salt and pepper from here. What I do, I mix it. I don't know, but for some reason I like mixing the salt with the pepper all the time. So now that I mix it, I'm gonna put it on top of the salmon and put it in the fridge. Okay, okay, so now I'm gonna put it inside the fridge until it's ready to be cooked. Okay, let me take this piece away. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it in half like this. This is the half of a medium onion. And you can also cut it in little squares if you want to. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in the container. And now it's time for the cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna cut them only in half like this. I'm done with the tomatoes. Now I'm gonna put them back in the container. And now it's time for the garlic. Okay, I'm done with the garlic, and I'm gonna leave it here because the garlic is the first one that we're gonna be using. Okay, so it's time to cook the salmon. Okay, so I already put the pan to warm up over here, And I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil right here. 1, 2. And I also put in the tablespoon of butter here, okay? We're gonna wait until the butter melts, and then we're gonna put the salmon. Okay, so ready for the salmon right here. And I'm gonna put it facing down first. Putting 3 pieces right there. And we're gonna cook this side for 3 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it over, okay? It's time to turn it over. You see how it looks? There you go. So we already turned it over, so we're gonna let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on this side, okay? Okay, it's already 3 minutes. So we're gonna remove it from here and put it in a plate. And I'm putting the other one facing down, okay? And I'm removing this one. This one is more thicker. This is how the salmon looks from the top, golden brown. And now we're gonna be making the sauce, okay? So we're gonna be using the same oil in the same pan, okay? Okay, and we're using the same pan with the same oil. So I'm gonna be putting the garlic first, okay? So I'm putting the garlic first, and then we go with the onion. So we're cooking the garlic for about 1 minute. And now ready for the onion. And this recipe is real fast to make. especially we're on the run or we come from work. So give to the onion another minute. Okay, now we're gonna put the salt and the pepper. And now time for the cornstarch right here. And cook for a little bit until it starts changing color. You see how it changed? You see right here? Okay, now we're gonna put the spinach in here, okay? And now we're gonna put the tomatoes here, okay? So far it's looking like this. So let them cook in there for about 2 or 3 minutes. If you don't have enough oil on the pan when you finish cooking your salmon, you can always put a little extra, okay? But if you use 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, that's good enough to cook the salmon and cook the sauce. Okay, it's been 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the 1 cup of chicken broth. It looks like we're making a spinach soup. And here I'm gonna be putting the parsley. So I put half and leave the other half. So when I'm serving the plate, I can always put parsley on top, okay? And so far it's looking like this, okay? You see it already start to boil, so I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes more. and it smells so good. And this is a real simple recipe and real fast to make, especially when you're on the run or when you're coming back from work and you want dinner real fast. So now that it boils, I'm going to put the chile powder here. And this is on your taste, okay? You can always put 1/4 of a teaspoon if you don't want it too spicy. Okay, now it's time for the heavy cream. And now it's looking like this. And now you can put the cheese too, okay? And I always put Parmesan or cheese, but you can put the cheese that you want to. And now I'm gonna be putting the salmon on top, okay? There's one. What I do, I always put sauce on top. And we're gonna let it cook for about 3 more minutes, and then we're gonna turn it off, okay? Because remember, the salmon is already cooked. Okay, so it's been already 3 minutes, so I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna serve one on a plate so you can see how it looks. And I'm gonna taste it. And it has a real nice color. So I'm gonna be serving a piece so we can taste it, okay? It's gonna break, it's gonna break. Okay. And I'm gonna put a little sauce on top. Like that. And it looks like this when I already serve it on a plate. And I'm gonna try it. And you can also combine it with a French bread. And you can also combine it with toasted French bread with butter on top. And it tastes real good. Or you can also cook rice. But today I'm gonna combine it with white rice, okay? But it tastes real good with a bread on the side, okay? So I'm gonna taste it. It's so good. This is a real delicious recipe, and it's real fast and easy to make. If you're on a rush or you just come back from work, you have dinner in less than 30 minutes for the family. So I hope you enjoy the recipe, and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.